Well, there it is. What the hell does this mean? Like I said, it looks like a Hot Wheels card. Just one more. You know, nobody answered me in my last my last video. So I know what it means. Just one more. So we got now I got two of them. Don't make me laugh too much. Just one more. Yeah, let's see if this even came out on the video. I still can't find the other top of the Baja Bison, but I found a car card. I swear I've already primered him white. I still can't find it. So what did I do? Well, I went to the store to get milk for the wife. While I was there, while I was there, guess what I found? Just one more. Baja Bison. Not just one, but two. What the hell's wrong with you, Bill? And then I found the other car card for the other Bison. Don't worry about that. I had a little accident with some PVC glue primer and stuff. I still can't find it pre-primered, but I swear I hung it up behind me. I must have moved stuff around and forgotten where I put it. Anyways, let me get back to the important things. I got a 3D printer. Oh, and I have a new appreciation for Slanman Customs. We're going to show you that in a minute. But before we go in there and check that out, let's talk about signs. Now, I need to shut that other light off and turn this on. Too much glare and a big light. Hey. How's that look? That looks better. If you remember, well, you know, I got these from Merch by Meekin. It's the same sign, but this black one is from Slanman's. So I think they got this one from Slanman's also. But this doesn't stay in there very well. I think that's made for cardboard or paper card stock. This guy's in there. I mean, it snaps. So whoever made this did a better job, made some tweaks or something on the 3D printer, which this is about a 3D printer eventually. That sucker's in there, man. Well, it does come out. But it's a lot tighter than this guy. So anyways, let's talk about cards. I don't want to screw that up. Let me get that out of the way. Alright, do you remember I asked for help? Hey, should I put the dragon head up here? You know, or yeah, the dragon, or the bat, or USAF, or something on the four corners of the side of the sign. Sorry. So, and I appreciate all the comments, and I decided not to do anything. Kiss. No, I ain't kissing you. It's Kiss. Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. So, to give you an explanation of that, I have, and I don't mean to pick on anybody, but I'm going to flash these in front of you really fast. Okay. On Gravity Throttle Racing, on that bridge that was built, the original bridge built in 1834. Yeah, bull crap. 1834. Yeah, we all believe that. So the camera comes by and goes, meow, meow. Now, what do you see? You see SST Diecast Racing. Now, let me show you these three cards, and I don't mean to pick on anybody. And like I said, I just have three of these different cards. Car cards. All right, here's the first one coming by. Who is that? Okay, here's the next one. Who is that? Here's the last one. Now, if you notice, that last one had a little too much information for your brain and eyes to grasp. That's why I say KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what we were taught in the Air Force. Simplest way is often the best. Now, if this guy was up here, oh crap, I dropped it. You wouldn't have no time to process all that information. Ow, damn it, now I hit that. Sucks getting old. You wouldn't have time to process all that information because, you know, it's just too much stuff to process. What did you see? Well, if you hold it there, yeah, then you can tell. I love this card, man. Yeah. So it goes with my old, my last video with the historic Route 66. You know, like I said, I grew up on Route 66, but not the historic Route 66. I think that started somewhere up in Rhode Island. But there was a 66 in Connecticut. Anyways, I associate myself with that. I don't care if you agree or don't. You can, you know, something about grits and kissing. But yeah, so I decided not to put a lot of information on here. And as you can see on Gravity Throttle Racing, the original train trestle built in 1834 or whatever year that was. Oh my. Thanks, Mark. But, you know, it's hard to see that. But he did on the last race, or 2 races ago, he actually had the intro, and it went across the train trestle, back out view to show all the signs and all the cards and everything on there. That was awesome. You know, there's a lot of people that love this racetrack. And I'm guessing a lot of people send cars in too. Cars. And cards with a D. Bird. And everybody wants to see their stuff. But while the camera was zooming down the track, man, you know, even after coming across a scrambler after that 1834 train trestle, zoom, you can still see who this is. It's plain and simple. I mean, if this goes through, you don't have time to read it. So that's why I kept it simple, and I appreciate all the inputs. Now, it's time. I didn't mean to make fun of Slanman's cards. I appreciate all the ones he gave me. You know, damn it, I dropped one. Hang on. All right. I think that was his first one. I've been getting parts from him for a long time. He's helped me out a lot. And that's why I have the track I do. I like that one the best. In fact, the start gate, I painted it like this. He didn't have any paint on it. So it just says this on the side. And I painted red and a grayish. And then he sent me one of these. Well, actually, I got a couple of those. But yeah, when that camera slides by, you don't have time, your brain doesn't process the whole thing. It's like, there was green, blue, some orange. So yeah. So that's why I did not put any of these decals onto my card. I'm just going to keep it simple. Now, let's go back to the 3D printer, which is why I have a new appreciation for Slanman Customs and everything he did, and why, ooh, damn, where'd that come from? And why he's got like, what, 8 or 10 3D printers? I got a really small one, and I've been printing since 10 o'clock this morning. After I got it assembled, after I got it level and calibrated, and then leveled the bottom plate, it's printing one little teddy bear. And it's still printing since 10 o'clock this morning. What time is it right now? 2:49, and it's still not done. So let's go in and check that out. I got some things to say about this 3D printer. All right. As always, you know, the garage father. I'm still looking for that Baja Bison top. All right, next. So this is real time. It's kind of warm. I got the control panel over here, which you can't see a damn thing on that, but the time now is 3 o'clock. This has been going since 10 o'clock this morning. 10 o'clock, I'm telling you, 10 o'clock. Now, this is why I say I have a new appreciation for Slanman Customs, which is the only guy I know. Well, I know another guy, but I don't buy from him. I'm not going to say his name. But Slanman helped me out so many times with so many things, and I can appreciate it. Now, if you're doing this and you're making a racetrack, first thing you got to do is to make sure it works. And if it takes this long just to make a little, what is this? I have no idea. It's supposed to be a dog. But see, on this Ender 3D Pro, the instructions were all wrong. I had to look it up on YouTube how to make sure this is all correct and everything. So I'm not really happy, but it is working. I finally got it all level and then calibrated. The instructions on this control panel over here do not even correspond with what's in everything else I saw. So I had to figure it out myself. Now, how long is this going to take to do? Let me show you something here. Be right back. I need a piece of paper. All right. The PLA going in is that big. But the extrusion coming out is only that big. They said keep pushing it until you get some plastic coming out. So I did. And that's how small it is. Where is it? Right there. So it's putting down a layer of that every time it goes around. And I'm like, how much damn electricity is this using? It's been going since 10 o'clock. Now it's 3. It's 5 hours. My first 3D printer. It's a small one. Now, if you can imagine Slanman having bigger ones and printing all these race car tracks out, holy crap, he's not charging enough money. I know, hang on now. I know he's not doing any physical labor, but someone has got to program that stuff, and I don't even have the software to program. This came pre-programmed. What am I going to build? I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but I think it's really cool. So if it's taking this long just to build, I don't even know, what is that? Is that a bear? Get in there. I don't know. It's supposed to be the test.dog.g code. But jumping Jiminy. Eric, I gotta say thumbs up to you. Thank you, my buddy. I'm gonna send you a link to this video if I ever get this done. And then what do you do if the track doesn't come out right? Well, yeah, you got to get back into the program, which I have no idea what I'm doing. And then you got to do it again. And you got to print it out. And then see if it works. But, but once you get it working, yeah, you just turn it on and you can go to bed. You're not really doing a lot of physical labor. It's just mental labor. I asked him to build me a custom start gate. I sent him all the dimensions and everything. He goes, $35. I said, I'll send you 85. Or was it 80? And I'm sure after he programmed it and everything, he built it all snapped together perfect. Perfect. $35. Really? Custom? Just for me? I'm sure he sold more of those. It's the 2-tower race start track, which all I had was the plastic. I put the LEDs in myself. I wired it myself. Sorry. I'm feeling a lot better, but not 100%. But yeah, let's see how long this is going to take. I mean, that's a lot of heat. I can feel it because it's cold outside, So, warm your fingers. But I can appreciate it. And I can appreciate you guys watching. Look at this damn thing. It's going to take all damn night. Cut. So, to conclude, I still have no idea what I'm doing. I'm happy I got it together, and it looks like I've got it all level and calibrated. But daggone, this takes a long time. Can you imagine how long it takes to do those racetracks that Slanman does? I mean, the little sign holders and stuff, yeah, fine, gates and stuff. But 360, the 180, what 360? The 180, the 90, and the 45s. I mean, this saying another day. Another day. Wait, I don't even know how to read this damn thing over there. There's a control panel over there. Anyways, it says 80. I don't even know what it's saying. 85%? It's 85%. It's been going for 5 hours. Anyways, if you watch Gravity Throttle Racing today, holy crap, he had a new format at the very end. You gotta watch it to the very end, man. Yeah, because it was a brutal, and I mean a brutal race. These guys were after each other. And then, you know, in my race, when my car went down there, look, he goes and taps him. And no, it looks like he tried to take him out. I can't remember who that guy was, but yeah, I came in and hit him. And I got ahead of him. Look, he just taps him. Yeah, I tap him. I try to take him out. But there's no drivers. This is what makes it so... Yeah, we get all excited. There's nobody driving their cars, but you know, the commentary is awesome. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a little teddy bear. I still don't know. It said dog, test dog. But here it says cat 3.5h.g code. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to use this for the racetrack. You know, that's for Chris Hood. Because he asked me. He's one of the first to know I got this. Same with Mark. But Mark at GTR. I'm just happy it's working. I'll figure out if I'm going to do anything. Right now, let's see how long this takes. And hey, have a happy new year. And thanks for watching. We got a teddy bear. I think it's a teddy bear. I have no idea what it's supposed to be. It doesn't say. It was supposed to say test dog. Dang nabbit. But look at this thing. This is pretty cool, huh? I wonder how much electricity this is using. Jeez, Eric. How much electricity, did your electricity bill go up? Hey, you had at least, last I saw was 8 of these. They're bigger. Yeah, bigger, better. Oh, more power. Yeah. So, but the detail is really, I mean, we're going to give you an update when this gets done. I'm not waiting, but the detail, the hair, the fur. How's it do that? We're just going to let it go and see what we end up with. I'll let you guys know. And like I said, Happy New Year's, and thanks for watching. We're going to send some fireworks up. And then maybe some balloons come down at the end there. I'm glad I got it all aligned. It was a pain in my butt. And the instructions did not say exactly anything. Had to look that up and, you know, just frustrating. So Chris, what am I going to do with this? I don't know. I didn't order it. I didn't buy it. I got it for Christmas. But the detail is really nice. We'll show you that in another video. Sorry. Have a good night. See you later.